List going. List lab. Right. Grab this guy from up here. You know I'm on that grind. To-do list. Update the first line with your answer from the previous. Use another line below it where you add a buy grocery string. Yeah, that was my tummy grumbling. That's what happens when all you can afford is a protein shake for breakfast. So to-do list dot append, and that would be a string has quotes by groceries. Now let's see if this passes. Nice, nice, nice. So that put the buy groceries into the to-do list. And now if we brought that down here, and we printed our to-do list, it should just say buy groceries because we have to-do list, we appended function, the string. So right here we say buy groceries. It's just one item in a list. We printed that to-do list. Wow. Write code to display all tasks one at a time in the to-do list. Ensure your list is populated with the following strings. Give that guy a little girth to him. So instead of just appending that, I'm gonna put read a book, which I did try this morning in the bathtub, but it was a Kindle. No, veto, not good. Here's my shtick, bro. Is I'm trying to be like a techno wizard and use this to cancel people, bro. But I'm the one who should be canceled for trying to embrace technology like Palantir. So I think I missed the third step. So I know that would print them all. Each string must appear in the same order as listed above. So right here, when I printed it, I just printed the list, I guess. So instead, I need to for loop. That's basically gonna do it so a for loop iterates. So it's gonna iterate through each one. But first I have to make up a variable. I'm just gonna use list because well, that actually doesn't make sense. That should be for chores and then we gotta iterate through the list. I want to say just print chores. You always got to indent if it's a function you're calling. So, okay, so append, you can't append multiple shit. So basically, I don't know the other function I can use, so I'm a I'm gonna append one trick. Fortunately, I'm kind of slow on the draw. I know a lot of dudes in my unit are like practicing their trigger finger on like typing simulators, so like I'll look into that. Even though I'm not like trying to compete with them because I know I'm not more valuable than like an AI, bro. Like some of these dudes are pretty good at this shit. And when I say shit, I mean computers, science. See, bro, it's easy, dude. Just gotta listen. All right. After that win, it looks like a good time to check chat. I'm live. Jeez Louise, bro. Well, that's good, bro, because I didn't want to talk to nobody right now, anyways. I had a big day. What was I doing, bro? Okay, this is weird that I just looked to see what I was supposed to do. So, update is what we should have been using. Write code to update a task in the to-do list. Use the provided task index variable to access the index of the list that needs to be updated. Jeez Louise. You know what I need? Need to utilize my second screen. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Get him here. Get him here, mate. No more playing around. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Using the type function. Okay. So we'll print class list. Just the list is the class. Whatever, whatever. Because we work with classes later on, so that could be mistaken for something that it's not. On the update function. Oh, will you update me? Oh, yeah. Append Mongo. Bro, he gonna suck me like a mango. I remember when I was playing with the banana function. Oh! Not. Fruit Zero Kiwi. I thought I was the wee wee. Oh! Not. Tell Fruit. Oh my gosh, she deleted my number. Because I was Fruit. What the fuck? Oh my god, you can pop it for him. Oh, I need. Removes the last item in the list by default. She, she removed the last thing that made me a man. Now I'm an asshole. Um, Tools? Gotta lay that hammer down. Wrench and boom! My signature tattoo, which is now gone. Yes, that's true. I am a tech. I branded myself like Elon Musk from now on. So do we have enough? Would pop. Would pop. Okay, so pop you have to define in a variable. Just like you have to define everything you're gonna give to a woman up front. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Fuck Laura. For fruits and fruits. Oh god, would the fruit answer it? I don't know. So I think that's just how you do it, bruh. It's the only way to update. Right, so now we know. To-do list equals none. Replace this line with the passing list from the previous question. Oh, you fuck. You fuck. You just made me delete that. You know what? This is what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna take all of it. Oh, he did not just say that. Look, buddy. Task index, bro. Bro, they want me to loop through it. Task index 1. So, update the value of the task. Use a variable to access the index of the list that needs to be updated. Whatever. It's gotta be the easiest shit it's ever told me to do. And somehow, I'm still incompetent. Ah! Alright, you fuck. I'm sorry. That none type has no attribute to append. You fuck. The nothing burger, bro. It's just my nothing burger. It is my nothing burger. I'm a bigger. What did he say? You're a bigger nothing. What did he say? You're a bigger nothing. talking about myself again. Never, bro. I need to delete all my videos. I cannot do that. All I can do is code. When you lose everything, you focus on one thing and you do it every day till you're perfect. What if you have no talent at it? No talent. Never did. Always cheated your way through life. And now you're stuck doing these little toys. This little toy problem, bro. And you can't because there's so many words, bro. You don't even want to break it down. You just see these big, bold, italic, no, high underscored, colored. Ha! Gotcha. Where's Tasky? That needs to be deleted. You will be removed swiftly from the premises. I've never heard that one before. I thought I was the person out here. Do I have something on the board? He's a fan. Oh, oh, sorry. I'm gonna stop. I don't know. I don't know. I have a demon, and he needs to be jerked off. I'm gonna be honest. That's the only way to clinch him. I have a jerk demon. His name is Raul. Time to give you guys some knowledge. Guys, we got 3 more. 4 more. 4 more. No. What? I don't know, bro. Just grab him, guy. Guy. You're gonna take that. Oh, what? He did not just unconsensually grab. You deleted him anyway. He was removed, so he wasn't a real person. They dehumanized me. Yeah. All right. Little primo. Little preemie baby. Hey, preemie. Hey, preemie. Showing the updated. You're not gonna do this to me. Don't know why. They want me to delete two, too. They want me to delete her. I can't. For some reason. I knew because I screen peeked on the last one. I think they want me to delete the second one as well. The second time she came, I knew it was fake. how I zoomed in on her bean. Bean. Beano. Beano, where are you? You are my bean. Bean, bean, bean. Bean, bean, bean. Bean, bean, bean. Bean, bean, bean. Look, someone needs to give me answers, right, about that. I'm not gonna keep going through this, right? Do you ever just feel sick to your stomach? My life choices weren't yours. Come on. Add code that prints each item individually here. This fucking toy, bro. I don't want to play with you anymore. You're bald and you're only 7. What the fuck? I meant like I was cosplaying as a 7-year-old. What the fuck? Bruh. Good. I was about to say. Wow. Wow, you have it perfect, bro. And you're gonna loop through it. And you're gonna increment this. Do you, do you, I did this wrong. When I did it the first time, that should be a wall. That should be a wall. Er? You know what? We can't cheat anymore. This has done me in enough in my life. Guys, I've been exposed. I wasn't actually black. Sorry, U of M. Sorry. I was scared to get jumped at the banquet for African Americans. Oh, I'm jokes. I'm joking. I'm joking. I'm joking. I still had aura then. Holy shit, bro. I wish I didn't try this hard. Write your code here to count all items. Yes, I will do that. Count 0. 4 count in 4 chores. I'm joking, bro. We'll try 4 count. In to doer, bro. I just want to see. I know this is wrong because it's iterating over this variable because it already has count, and this is supposed to be a made up variable that you make up yourself. But we don't know until we buy. That's true, bro. You really don't know until you buy. That's why I'm gonna buy Eater groceries. Let's just see. So it was wanting to increment. I have no idea, bro. Like, write the count, bro. Print to-do list, like whatever, bro. Like for me, it seemed all wrong. Oh, That's right, bro. We're just gonna get fiend out for chores, just like I did at work, bro. Shovel the ice. I did it last week. Oh my god, there's only 30 minutes left and you're making me shovel this fucking ice. And you won't even let me try to do the Trillburger stand. You won't let me help the Mexican chick who might or might not let me. Let's be honest. She was 21. She was already ran. No. She was already ran. Man, I don't know, bro. That's a serious question, though. You know a chick and all she does is work, bro. And she has no hobbies. What is she trying to support? Her cousin, bro. Her cousin Raul. I was getting played the whole time. I should not even have packed up those Trill burgers in the menu. I packed up that Trill burger for her. She packed me out for those Trill. Dude, they wouldn't even give me one Trill burger. I had to steal that Trill burger in my pocket, bro. I had burned thighs. That Trill burger was squished by the time it was here, and I think the MSG rubbed off on my thighs, 'cause now my skin isn't as clear as it used to be. Peeling, peeling. I like when I get to spend time with y'all because when I actually do this, it's really sad, bro. In class, like, it is so sad when I can't know anything. Like, Roman, here you do this, and then every 5 seconds. But what if we did? Shut the fuck up. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. No, that's not how we're supposed. Oh my god. Imagine just slapped him with the mouse, bro. Do you know what would be on brand? A mouse of an actual mouse. Like it's just a fuzzy mouse. Fuzzy turd. Fuzzy turd. I was just picturing it, bro. Fuzzy walls. What the fuck? That freak. If I can complete this toy, bro, I won't have to play with anything else the rest of the day. Mm, Sometimes all you can do is pray to God. Are you hearing me now? And now I present to you my version of an origami crane with a turd coming out of it. Oh, that's my second to last piece of gum. I need that. It's a knuckle! I believe these toys are beating my ass. These aren't real. Anybody who doesn't know coding, these aren't really real. These are just toys. Code to count the number of even length items. GD, 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 GD. There's only one way we can do this, bro. We have to make a variable, bro. I'm gonna show you guys something. use a variable or length in to-do list. So now we're iterating over everything. Did y'all want me to zoom in one of these days? Chat, you could have. Why does it look like my butt crack? Colon. Semicolon? It's just does not pip length divided by 2. Wait, was I supposed to be down here? To keep track of the number of items. Number of even length. For chore. So if the length of the chore does not equal an integer, maybe I was supposed to do this. I was saying if the floating point division is not equal, so if it comes out from dividing it like a float and it's just not a float, it's an even number with no, what do you call it? Dot six, dot four, dot three. Um, the second part's last one. Write code to count the number of even indexed items in the to-do list. Use a variable count to keep track of the number of items. Set up. Does not equal an integer. That's hard, bro, because there's only two. But still, so you can't divide 1 by 2. It's gonna be 0.5. The other one is index 0. You can't divide 0 by 1. This is something like it. I know that this is not how it writes us, but I wonder if this will pass. Well, 0 is an integer. 0 divided by 1 is 0. So it does not equal 0, basically. I don't really know how to code it, I just know that count plus 3 equals 1. How the fuck? Range of chore. does not equal 0. So that range of the count one that go for it. Hmm. What with the passing list from the previous one? Doesn't even want to go. Yeah, I broke it. Just laundry is done because I did laundry at the beginning. Oh, make sure you guys get to know all this stuff. Problems can be solved using dictionaries. Identify the key features of dictionaries in Python, and now they store data. The key value form. I guess that would be um Let's just let it ride for a minute. Length can find by using the length. We have the perfect data structure for this dictionary. For the That's 24. Okay, let's get to that. The key value pairs. I specify what it is and the key value in a bracket. I'm not gonna do the face cam anymore. I feel like it's scaring people away from my stream. But at the same time, I need to fill space on the screen with my two laptops set up right here. I was literally scrolling it back. I thought I was on this section. Like, what the fuck? Square bracket notation. We got that. This protein farting. Like, how? I don't got anything else in my stomach but that protein shake. Oh, protein that was shaken. I guess we are doing from that's me, it's me, something. ASMR, ASMR. Why am I just starting doing ASMR when I see the student section for GPA? Shouts out wide out. Oh, no, I'm not Matthew McConaughey. Guess let's try. Um, don't know how to create it though. How did he create it? Let's call our dictionary Skynyrd equals. You cannot be my. Oh, I need to get in the Python shell, bro. Skynyrd equals. Freebird. Supposed to do this shit. Dude, I had it too. I just shouldn't have. Freebird is meta, bro. I'm just gonna say if it's ass or not. Wait, it would be more like this. Songs equal. I need to make a list of a dictionary, bro. Here. Mm, Scanner. Scanner. I'm just gonna call this Skinnered song. How would I make this? Skinnered song length. Skinnered. I guess the dictionary would be fucking Freebird, right? So I don't know what the key I would use. Skinnered song. Okay, because he's using like name, age, major. We'll just call it Skinnered song. Maybe we can add new in the dictionaries. Name. Freebird. Blank. I'm gonna say it goes forever because I'm never not playing Freebird. 1,000. Must have a bit too many spaces. Comma. Year. Thanks, dude. Meta is God, bro. That's what they don't understand. Huh? Nerd songs. Bruh. It didn't print shit. Oh. What do you mean? What do you mean? I think I did my dictionary wrong. Jerking off. That doesn't even make sense, bro. We'll say, is it a lot? We'll say, I guess, genre. Yes, rock anthem. Well, I condone a snake case because it's in a string. What? Did I spell Skinner wrong? Skinner is not defined. Uh, huh. Skinner's songs, of course. Dude. Dude. Okay. So let's get the name. Okay, guys. 4. 4 key. 'Cause I'm not creative. And Skinner. Skinner. Songs. Pop up. That string. Pretty good if y'all want to grab this. It's like putting it in. Let's see if we can make a list of dictionaries. This has items. There's a list in this dictionary.